y'all, it's me driven back again with another video. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to get that subscribe button, that post notification, so you're always notified every time your girl upload a video. And also don't forget to comment a blue butterfly in the comments down below. And if you are a returning subscriber, what's up? Y'all, why am I still childish by putting this up? But as y'all can see by the title, today I done brought my business back. So yeah, y'all, I am in the process of relaunching my lip gloss business. If y'all scroll back like a couple of videos, maybe like a year ago, I think so, 2 years ago, I had started my lip gloss business, which was Gloss by D, and it didn't go well, y'all. I shut it down. It lasted, you know, it made me a couple of $100, but I was not doing it for the right reasons, and I just felt like it was no need for me to do it. And first, hold on. If y'all see me with this in another video, it's because I'm trying to batch create videos for y'all. So yeah, it's all in the same day. But yeah, back to what I was saying. I'm in the process of uploading another video, but by the time this video is out, that video will already be up. Pretty much telling y'all like the mistakes I made when it came to my first business and why I stopped it and things like that. So yeah, today I got my inventory and I have 5 lip glosses, and I'm not really sure on a launch date yet. I'm not, because I still have to take product pictures. I still have to build my website. I still have to name all 5 glosses. But I do have a business name though. So what I want y'all to do is comment down below what y'all think my business name is going to be. The person that gets it right, which I don't think anybody will get it right, but let's just get active in the comments. Comment down below what y'all think my business name is going to be. The person that gets the business name right, I'll cash up y'all $15. No, I ain't. I'll cash up y'all $7 because that's my favorite number. So yeah, I'll cash up y'all $7 whoever gets my business name right. So pause the video and go on and chat it up in the comments. Guess the business name. So yeah, I have 5 lip glosses. I went with 5 this time only because I didn't want to start like having like a big whole collection. I just wanted to give like a little test run, because the first glosses I had, they were more like, I don't want to say kiddie-ish, but they weren't really what I really wanted. So I really didn't take my time the first time like finding like actual colors that I wanted to do. I was just like, let me just pick these look cute, whatever the case is. But this time I really did take my time. I really did my research on like vendors, because this time around I did do a vendor. The first time around I made it myself, but the colors that I wanted this time, I really couldn't find to make them. So I was like, well, I know this vendor that already has them, so why not just go with them and see how, you know, everything works out or whatever. And shipping was good. So yeah, I brought 50 lip glosses. I got 10 shades of 5 shades, and I got 10 glosses or whatever. So this is the first one. I don't have any names for them yet, but this is the first gloss. It's like, it has like rose petals like in them. So yeah, like this is the first gloss. And then all of them are squeeze tubes. I don't have any wand tubes just because the last time when I was doing my lip gloss business, a lot of people like squeeze tubes. So I was like, well, let me just start off with squeeze tubes. And from there, if people start to ask for wand tubes, then I'll know what to get the next time once I sell out my relaunch date, you know? Okay, so this one has rose petals in it, real cute. It's like a rose color, kind of, sort of. And then this one right here has like gold flakes in it. I already have a name for this one. But yeah, it has like gold flakes. It's clear with gold flakes. And then this one right here is a nude. like a little brown nude color or whatever. Real cute. And then we have this one. Not really sure if y'all can see it, but if not, I'll probably take a video and like insert it with like the flash on or something like that. But here's the 4th one, and then the 5th one is like a little pinkish nude color. It's like a pink, like nude. So yeah, these are all the glosses. I went with 3 nudes and then 2 clear ones. So this is how they look. Real cute, real cute. So yeah, I still have to get, like I said, product pictures. I still have to get like my labels put on there, which I'm gonna do my labels myself with my Cricut machine. So that'll be a video that I'll do. So yeah, I'm about to start back doing like business videos. And like, of course, I'm gonna take y'all behind the scenes when I do my whole product pictures or whatever, and setting up like my website. Like I said earlier, I don't have a launch date yet. I don't have my website built yet. I need to take product. That's the first thing. Once I take my product pictures, then I can start like building my website, because you need pictures to put on the website. So, yeah, and I'm probably going to take the product pictures tomorrow, to be honest, because I want to go to a park that has like some flowers, because I got a visual, so you know. Yeah, so that's pretty much what I wanted to come on here and tell y'all. Be sure to look out for my launch date. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram, because that is where I'll be putting like all of updates when it comes to the business and things like that. And I will be checking these comments to see who guesses my business name. And if y'all edit the video, if y'all edit the comment, it's gonna say edit, so I can tell who edits the comment or not, because it'll say edit. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much what I wanted to come up here and tell y'all, is that I'm bringing my business back, and hoping that this time the business goes good, the business is successful, it brings more opportunities. Because I really, like, y'all, when I stopped selling lip gloss, I was a little sad. But then I was like, I wasn't doing it for the right reasons. I don't feel like it was the right time. I don't feel like I made the right business moves. I don't think I made the right moves in general. So yeah, y'all, your girl coming back with a lip gloss. So in another video, of course, I'm going to do like the test swatches and things like that. And as I, take product pictures and build my website and get more inventory and things like that, I'm going to definitely do videos for y'all. Comment down below if y'all want those videos or whatever, but either way, I'm going to record them. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. I'll see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with anyone and everyone. Let them know what your girl's doing over here in Driven's Corner, because over here in Driven's Corner, we get what? Huh? What you say? What she say over there? We get active. That's right. All right, y'all, see y'all in the next video. Bye.